Hello and welcome to Eden Christmas. Check out all those lights. If you can't tell already, I'm also festively hairy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Hello, yep, Eden yet again. Well, it is what it is. I guess Eden Project is to Cornwall, what Swanwalk is to Horsham. I have no idea how long this video will be, especially as I am actually spending some quality family time here, and it's in the evening, and I've just finished work for the day. But yeah, thanks for watching and supporting me this year. I hope you have a great Christmas, and best of wishes for 2024. Let's see what we can see. So yes, this was filmed in December 2023, which does indeed make me a good 3 months behind with my editing and posting. It's down to me really, but working in hospitality means that Christmas and New Year's are very, very busy periods of time. And I've also been away on holiday, which I needed to do really. So I will try my hardest to catch up and be posting stuff a lot more regularly. But so back to this video, and we're going to start off in the Mediterranean biome. And our drums, they look and sound so good, and of course an upright double bass. Happy days. as ever. The Eden Project has been awesome. The execution of all of that was brilliant. Really enjoyed the lights and the music, and well, the lighting designer in me was going woo, and it was all programmed in and worked really well. Yeah, and I would happily go again. I have no idea what the next thing from here will be, but if you live in Cornwall and do YouTube or social media, Eden Project is the gift that keeps on giving, as you've no doubt seen through my videos and blogs and whatnot. Nice. I also got to mention there's ice skating there, which looks like a lot of fun, and it's just in the little bit where they host the concerts. Maybe next winter I'll head on in and do some ice skating and film that, and they will also host lots of other things throughout the year in here as well, so you never know, more content on the way, no doubt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.